Okay, hello dear friends. So I have this purple color, 6 pieces. One year use 3 pieces, another year use another 3 pieces. And I will need some of these round ones as a stopper. So this one I can choose the color that I use not so often. These two are great because this will be the stopper for not so good, not so good. Okay, let's take a look. You make sure it is straight, 2 pieces of straight. Okay, so one, it's not listening to me. 1, 2, this will be inside. I will show you how I do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have this one ready. We have the paper ready. Now we will need to get our design. So I think blue is always pretty. Blue goes with a little bit of blue here, a little bit of blue here. So this, and this. And we can have another one. Which color do we use? Red? That's a little bit too much, right? Use this one. Soft, tender. Okay, these two are the same. And use a star, purple star. How about that? This seems not so good. Maybe I will use a light blue. Light blue. Give me another light blue. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we will make this fold in to make the first triangle. Make the corner. Tuck it in. Now this one, use your hand to hold it. This one, tuck it inside. Okay. Feel it's not comfortable. Make sure they are comfortable. So we leave some room here and put this one in. Okay. Now we enclose it. It's not easy, right? It is not easy. And if it is easy, it is not art, right? So you use your hand to press it a little bit. If you want, you can put some glue on it, a little drop of glue, liquid glue. We put blue here, purple star here. Do we have enough room? Maybe the star is too big. Purple flower here. It does take a lot of energy. Yes, now this is good. And we will take out one of our earring piece. I have a lot of earring piece and I make sure they are the right pair. Some of the design is not the same. So now I hold it, bend it. Okay, tuck it strong. Now it's good, and you want to bend it a little bit so that we made one of it. Now we made the second one. Oh, I haven't folded. So because it's very, very small, so make sure it does not overlap. Always make sure you do not overlap. And it's very, very important that it has a very comfortable shape. Oh, this is good, this is good, this is good. Now, okay, this is so small, maybe you cannot easily see it. I increase the zoom, fold in, and make sure it is comfortable. Press it. 1, 2. It takes a lot of time, and I feel it's quite when you are not making a video, when you are not teaching anybody, when you are just doing it by yourself, and do not worry about some mistakes. If you make a mistake, do a new one, right? Nothing to be stressed out. Then it's very relaxing. But if you have a particular goal, within 5 minutes make 1 or 2, then it becomes very stressful. Do not put pressure on yourself. It takes time. This is not about making money and become rich. It's about enriching our life and get appreciated for our work, for our labor. And that is the fun part, right? And that is enough. We do not ask more than that. If we demand more, we will end up disappointed more. If we just let it go and do it for fun, then it's very relaxing. And I make this for my friend. And from time to time, I always wear my origami earrings and beads earrings to match with my clothes color, because this costs nothing, right? So I can make a lot. And one friend said, oh, that's so good. And then I asked, what is your favorite color? Purple, she said. So I am making this purple one. And this is a very good way to build up a friendship. It's easy, and you will not worry about bribery or anything. No, this costs nothing. It only costs our heart and soul, our love and attention, right? So it's a very and people accepting it will be not having any pressure to accept our gifts. And it's pretty, it's fun, and I very oftentimes get compliments from people. Say, oh, that is so cool, that is so pretty. It is, right? It is very, very unique. And using your labor, using your hand to work, to create something for the people you care, for the friend, for the colleague, it's really a very very good, nice, and easy gesture of kindness. So this is it. They are not very, very perfect because they are not industrial made. And it is quite unique. When you walk around, it ding, 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 have this sound. It's really fun, right?